Okay, so far we looked at list. What are the different things that you can do with a list? And again, list is a very important data construct. The next data structure is, so we looked at tuple and then we looked at list, right? So these are the two data structures that we have seen so far. So the third data structure is dictionary. So these are the three which are very often used: tuple, list, and dictionary. We're going to look at a couple of more that are less common. Okay? But dictionary is probably one of the most used, the most important built-in Python data structure. So it is a collection of pairs, okay? A key value pair, a collection of it. Okay. So think of a list has a fixed index position, right? The first item is index 0, the second item is index 1, third item is index 2, and so on. It's fixed. Whereas in dictionary, instead of having an index, you have a key. And the key points to a value. Okay. So that's what dictionary is. So it's a pair, a collection of pairs, and each pair will have a key and a value. The key is an immutable object, like a scalar will be just one value, the integer or a string or a floating point value, or it can be tuple with just immutable elements. So the key has to be immutable. Okay, the technical word they use is hashable. And there is a function for that. You can say, is it hashable, and it'll tell you. But the key has to be immutable. Okay. And then the value can be anything. So that's the reason why dictionary is so flexible. So key is immutable, scalar type, or tuples, right? And then the value can be any object. The value can be a function. It need not be a particular data structure. It can be anything. So that's why dictionaries are very useful and very powerful. Let's look at an example. Once. And then I say dict for there. So you start with an empty dictionary, then you provide a key and then a value, and it will go in. Okay. And then you want to add one more value. Well, you can do that. Dict, say 5 equal to 5. So now we have two items in the dictionary. What did I do now? Unhashable slice. See, that part is unhashable. Unhashable means it's not a proper key. Yeah. See, I have to give a. No, I messed up here again. So that would be the key. I have to put a right bracket and then set it equal to some value. Okay, and that can be a value like that. Okay. So now we have 1, 2, 3 items in the dictionary. Okay. And the dictionaries do not have index values like 0, 1, 2, right? It has keys. So you use the key to access. So you want to look at what the item is here. Okay. If you say 4, it'll tell you what the value associated with the key 4 is. Okay. And you can check whether a key is in a dictionary or not. Okay. Say oh, there is no T there. I have misspelled string. Okay, a string. Okay. Say in a dict. So this somehow got changed. Okay. So cell type got changed somehow. I did something in the keyboard, I guess. That in keyword checks the keys in the dictionary, then returns whether it is there or not. Okay. Okay. Suppose if I say X, Y, Z in a dict is going to tell us false. Okay. This is useful because suppose we want to access the dictionary, okay, but the key in the dictionary is not there. Okay. So this dictionary does not have an item with key equal to XYZ. So it's going to throw an error. So to avoid the error, you can check, is it in the dictionary, and then access it. Okay. So that's what the in is useful for. And there is another way too. You can have a default value specified so that if the key that you have provided is not in the dictionary, then the default value will be returned. Okay, so we'll look at that a little later. Okay. Now, if you want, now we already saw how to add items. You just simply give a new key and set it equal to some value. Now, if you want to delete an item, there are 2 ways of doing that. You can use the del. Okay, so if you say del, okay, and then provide a key. okay, then that item will be gone. Okay, so now the item with 4 as the key has been removed. Okay. And we can use the pop method. Okay. Pop method will return the deleted value back to you. So say x equal to, and pop is a method, so you specify with the dot pop, okay, and then say 5. So it gives you, so the popped value is put into x. So now if you print a dict, then you see that you have only that one key value pair left. We deleted one and we popped one. Okay. Pop will take it out and return the value alone. It won't return the key, it will return the value to you. Okay. Now let's iterating over a dictionary, right? Suppose we have a dictionary. Okay, so we create a dictionary with a squiggly bracket. You say A and then okay, the key value pairs must be separated by comma, and the key and the value must be separated by a colon. Then dummy is another value. Okay, so here is a dictionary. Now, if I get the keys, okay, dict, made a typo there. Okay, so you can peel off just the keys, and what you will have is an iterator. So you can do, okay, I in a dict keys, so it will bring you all the keys for you one by one. So let's try this. So the Z, which is the keys, it gives you an iterator. So you can go through each of them from there. Okay. And then you can merge, okay, just one last thing. A dict update. So it will take one dictionary and then you will add you can add multiple, merge one dictionary into another using the update method. So if you have another dictionary, you can say update here, that should be a dictionary. Okay. So one dictionary dot update and then give another dictionary within the brackets, then they will be merged together. So that's our update. Okay. All right, we'll stop here.